So they're talking about two triangles here, and they tell us that ABC is a scaled copy of DEF, and that side AB is 12 centimeters and is the longest side of ABC. They also tell us that side DE is 8 centimeters, and it's also the longest side of the triangle DEF. So what we know from that is that AB corresponds to DE. So AB and DE are corresponding sides in these dilated copies. So if ABC is a scaled copy of DEF, so it is not the original, it is the image, so DEF is the original. What's our scale factor? So it went from a smaller number to a bigger number, and we know that our scale factor has to be larger than 1 if the dilation causes an increase in size. Because of that, I'm going to write this as a fraction of 12 over 8. Our scale factor had to be that. And we can simplify this. And we can simplify it by dividing both of the numbers by 4. And if we do that, we end up with 3 halves. So our scale factor was 3 halves. You can also call it 1.5. And then they're asking if DEF is the scaled copy. So if it's not the original, but ABC was the original, then that means that it shrank in size and our scale factor had to be less than 1. So we'd actually turn the fraction in the other direction, take the reciprocal really. But even still, if we divide both numbers by 4, we're going to end up with 2 and 3, but it kind of makes sense that we end up with 2/3 as our scale factor for this one because it shrank, so our scale factor is smaller than 1.